everyone, I'm Faye from Nature Makers, and I just thought I'd do a short video to show you how to make one of these. It's our butterfly finger puppets. You can also stick them on a pencil and have them as a pencil holder. So all you need to do this is quite simple really. Get a bit of cardboard, something that you've got lying around the house, an old cereal cardboard, and you just cut out the butterfly. Sounds simple enough. To do a butterfly shape, you just need a sausage for the middle, for the body. Then you need to do what looks like a bee, or do a little squiggle for the wings on the one side. If you cut that out to the center point and then fold it over, you can then cut the other side, use that as the template. And then what you're going to do is you're going to do two little slits, 1 and 2 underneath each other, and that's going to act as where you put the finger, if you can see that. Ta-da! So once you've got your template cut, all you need is to head outside. You can either colour it in first or head straight outside and find some leaves, some sticks, some flowers, anything really, ideally things that have fallen on the ground naturally, and certainly things that you have permission to use, and glue them down. So once you've got yours stuck, you can then go woo all around the garden. It's a good activity to get them to think about symmetry, because they have to match both sides, and also you could use it to do counting as well. So let us know how you get on and tag us in your creations. Thank you, bye.